Hi, my name is Sunho Kim. I'm the data manager at MTID. Today I will introduce ArcGIS Online to you. As previous session and then the first session today, you'll learn a lot of the new thing about ArcMap. And then this normally they call ArcGIS for desktop. So those different application you learn how to create a map using your data. So this is excellent. So this session I will introduce ArcGIS Online, which you can is kind of platform to share your map, and then you kind of base location to use other application or other service from the S3 company. The the benefit of this ArcGIS Online is that you can verify your data in here. For example, if you have X and Y point from your data collector, you can put on X and Y point here and then check out is it actually really from market or is it from like their house. So you can see this data is valid or not. So that's one benefit. And second thing is that you can share your data. So you verified the data is okay, and then you can directly share with your researchers. If you're using the ArcMap, you can do the same thing. You can check the point of X and Y is where it's located, but then you need to save it as an image file, and then you attach it into your email and then to your researchers. And the researcher only see the images. But in your case, it's ArcGIS Online. You can upload your map, and then you can share your actual map with your researcher. You can give a link to them, and then they can see actual map, and then zoom in and zoom out and check out what they want looking for. So this is a big advantage. And third advantage is that you can visualize your data, a nice output from your excellent data set here. So if you show, for example, if you have data by country level or by district level or by global level or anything, if you want to show to here, you can use this one as a visualization tool. So you can easily create a map, so it helps users to see easily how they interpret your data. And the fourth advantage is that it's a good tool of data management. If you have several different data set, if you map into if the data has X and Y point, and you can put into ArcGIS Online and then use this one as the space repository of your data, and then you can do versioning control. Actually, not really the versioning control of like Git or the SU sub version, but it's also doing some simple version controlling as well. And you can tag it, and you can share it, and then you can make a group ping, and then you can put them together. For example, if you have a one map from accessibility from Peru, and then another map is the education map from Peru, and you can put them together as create another map. So you can easily create another product which you already have. So that's another good advantage. But in terms of data management, you need to have X and Y point to put here. So that's a kind of a bit disadvantage. But if you have something has X and Y point, this is would be good the repository. And the fifth advantage is that for free. Because normally the S3 product is very expensive, especially ArcMap and ArcGIS server. ArcGIS Online is very, very expensive, but we are under CGIAR, and the CGIAR has an agreement with ArcGIS, and I mean X3, the company has provided like a free access and free license for any kind of product from S3. So this is very nice because we don't have to pay them. So you can test it, you can check it out, but there's some kind of rule to follow. But anyhow, this is a very good way to start to learn more about GIS and then remote sensing and others.